In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a sheet into a table in Canva. This is a quick way to clean up data, lists, or any information that's laid out like a sheet so it becomes easier to style, read, and manage inside your design. Start by opening your project in Canva. Once you're inside the design, find the sheet you want to convert. This could be a page or area where you've placed data in a grid-like layout, or a collection of items that behaves like a sheet. Click your sheet to make sure it's selected. You'll know it's selected when you see the selection outline around it. Selecting the right thing here is important, because the next option only appears when the sheet itself is active. Now, right-click on the selected sheet to open the vertical context menu. This menu is where Canva groups quick actions based on what you've selected. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same way. On some keyboards, you can also hold Control and click. On touch devices, a long press will open the same menu. The key is that you're opening the context menu for the sheet you clicked. In that vertical menu, look for the option that says Convert to Table and click it. That's it. Canva will instantly transform the selected sheet into a proper table, aligning your content into rows and columns with clean, consistent spacing. You'll see clear grid lines and a structured layout that's much easier to work with. A couple of quick notes to help you get the best results. If you don't see the Convert to Table option, double-check that the sheet itself is selected, not an individual text box or a separate element nearby. Sometimes clicking slightly outside the content and then clicking again helps you target the entire sheet. Also, keep in mind that the conversion respects the order of your content. So if your data is already arranged in a logical grid, the table will mirror that structure neatly. Once the conversion is done, you'll notice that your information is now easier to read and organize. Tables make it simpler to keep things aligned, apply consistent styling, and present information clearly in presentations, documents, and social posts. If something doesn't look quite right after converting, it usually means the original sheet had uneven spacing. Selecting the sheet first and then converting usually produces the cleanest result. And that's all you need to convert a sheet into a table in Canva. Open your project, click your sheet, right-click to open the menu, and choose Convert to Table.